Hello dear student, I welcome you all in highway engineering subject and subject code is 1615504. Today we are going to see unit number 6, that is Hill Road. In Hill Road this is lecture number 10. Myself Daniel Swami, I am lecturer of Civil Department, James Polytechnic College, Aurangabad, Bihar. Let us see the content of the lecture. In Hill Roads, today we will study about the drainage aspect of Hill Roads. Let us discuss about the drainage aspects of Hill Road. First of all, we will see the drainage aspect of Hill Road. In that, the drainage practice reveals to the Hill Road is given below. First is camber. As we know, camber is very important for providing drainage, because camber is nothing but it is a raise in the center of the road which will provide slopey in road structure in a geometrical design of road. Let us see what is camber. This has already been covered under a geometrical design. The range from 2%, that is 1 in 50 for higher the bitumen surface, to 2.5 to 3% is 1 in 40 to 1 in 33 for WBM gravel surface, which means that we provide slope 1 in 50, that is 1 in 50 for bitumen surface, and 1 in 40 we provide for WBM, that is waterborne macadam road. This is the slope we are providing, and that slope is called as camber. As we have seen already in geometrical design, I have told you what is camber. The camber is nothing but the center rise portion is known as camber. Okay. Next one is side drain. Let us see what is side drain. Side drain is provided only on the hilly side of the road. As you can see, here is the typical curves and channel drainage is provided in this image. The size of the drain may be 0.6 meter to 0.45 meter of triangular shape, and it is unlinked. The curve and channel type of drain is recommended and is popularly used. As you can see, this is the side drain which is provided in the side of road surface, and this is provided in 60 centimeter and the height will be 30 centimeter, and it is provided in the hilly slopes. Okay, and this it is in the shape of triangle, and it is unlined, and the curves and the channel type of drain is recommended and it is popularly used. Okay. Next one is catch water drain. Catch water drain are used to intercept the surface runoff from the hill slope, drain it parallelly to the road and laid into a cross drain surface, that is cross drainage structure, such as culvert at a convenient location. It is necessary to design this for no overflow and for avoiding high velocity flow. It is therefore preferable to pebble the bed of slides. As you can see, here is the catch water drain, you can see here, and here is the intermediate catch water drain, and here is the angle drain. You can see the here is the road provided. Here the angle drain will be, as I have told you in last slide, we the angle drain is called as side drain. Okay, because it is provided in the side of the road, and this drainage is parallelly to the road length. Okay, and the cross drainage structures such as culvert and culvert, it is placed in a convenient location, and it is necessary to clean keep the culvert clean, and if we are keeping the culvert clean there will be no obstacles in the flow. But if the culvert will be blocked with some dead plants and animal, that will block the culvert, and it will make the water to flow on the surface of, and it will overflow the water, and it will cause in the damage of road. जब ओवरफ्लो होगा तो वो रोड को डैमेज कर सकता है, इसलिए हम लोग को ओवरफ्लो रोकने के लिए क्या करना है, हम लोग को कलवर्ट को साफ सफाई करके रखना है, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट वन इज क्रॉस ड्रेनेज एंड प्रोटेक्शन वर्क। क्रॉस ड्रेनेज वर्क सच एज कलवर्ट, causeway, scrubbers have to provide at a reasonable interval along the road, drain off the water from the catch water drain and side drain to safe location away from the road. For important hill road culverts, pipe culvert, slab culvert, and arch culvert, or a minor bridge should be designed and constructed to appropriate interval along with the length of road. For minor and or unimportant road with a low volume traffic, causeway or scrubber which are less expensive may be provided. Causeway is submerged bridge, and scrubber is dry masonry crushed rubble culvert. Okay. Turfing the slope is good protection measure to prevent the erosion. क्रॉस ड्रेनेज एंड प्रोटेक्शन वर्क में क्या होता है कि मतलब क्रॉस ड्रेनेज हम लोग को वर्क हम लोग डाल रहे हैं, तो हम लोग को कलवर्ट जो है वो मतलब कलवर्ट को प्रोवाइड करना है, कासवे को, स्क्रैपर को। वी हैव टू प्रोवाइड इन ए रीजनेबल डिस्टेंस एंड रीजनेबल इंटरवल अलॉन्ग विद द road, okay, because and this drainage water should be kept away from the road, and it is very important in hilly roads that if we are providing culvert or pipe culvert or slab culvert or arch culvert, or we can provide minor bridge too for designing a construction for appropriate interval along with the length of road. For minor and unimportant road which is not used for more traffic, there we can give causeway, that is submersible bridge, or a scrubber, that is dry masonry crushed rubble culvert, which is less expensive, and we can provide in that area where less number of traffic is traveled. Okay. Next one is subsurface drainage. The seepage flow and high groundwater table may cause problem of stability underneath the road. Seepage flow may cause stability problem for hilly slopes too. Hence, a stable subsurface drainage system consists of longitudinal and or cross drainage may design and construction depend upon the depth of hard strata, the amount and intensity of rainfall, and other important parameter factors, which means that subsurface drainage is nothing but the water inside the seepage flow and the high groundwater water table that can cause problem in the stability, and because they will loosen up the soil, and this will cause this will low down the stability of the pavement. So in underneath of roadway, the seepage flow may cause the stability problem for the hilly slope. Okay. So we should give a drainage for we should design a drainage for underneath or subsurface drainage, and it can be it could be consisting longitudinal cross section drainage, or it can be designed depending upon the depth of hard strata. Okay. The maintenance aspect of hilly roads. The following are the maintenance aspect of hilly roads, that is maintenance of drainage structure, clearance of snow and snow bounded area, prevention and correction of landslide, and control of avalanche. These are the four topics which is used for maintaining aspects of hilly roads. First one is maintenance of drainage structure. It is nothing but by the name maintenance of drainage structure means that we should maintain the drainage structure, and we should if we are maintaining the drainage structure, the stability of the hilly roads will be more, and it will be economic, and the lifespan of that hilly road will be more. The various component structure of drainage system, such as side drainage, catch water drain, cross drainage work such as scupper, culvert, and causeway, and subsurface drain, if any, have to be clear periodically to remove the silt and other uh, extraneous material, so as to allow smooth flow of water. What as I was telling, that if we clear everything, there will be a smooth flow of water and there will be no blockage. And if there is no blockage, there will be the flow of the water will be smooth, and the stability of the soil will be maintained. As precautionary measures, turfing and the planting of trees on a hilly side tends to reduce the velocity of surface runoff and prevent the skewing action and erosion of unstable earth material. If we are planting more trees in the sides of hilly area, they will withhold the soil, and they will catch the soil, and it will the pressure will be reduced, and as well as the velocity of the surface runoff will be reduced due to the plantation of, and as well as the soil will be more stable because the trees will hold the soil, and it there will be less number of soil erosions. Okay. Next one is clearance of snow in snow-based bounded area. In snow-bounded area such as Himalaya region, the problem of snow cover on the road is actually especially during the winter month. Compacted snow surface are dangerous and traffic hazardous. Hence, the need to be remove snow and ice as fast as possible. As we know, as I was talking in earlier videos, in Himachal and all, there will be snow on the road, so we should remove the snow. As we will not remove the snow, there will be more dangerous, so we should remove and from the road, so that the lifespan of the road will be more. As well as if we not remove, and if it gets there itself, the snow gets melted, the water will absorb by the road, and that will cause the stability problem in the road, in hilly roads. Snowmakers or a wood poles with a meter division marked on them to uh, to irrigated before onset of winter. This will help to locate the roadway and estimate the amount of snow clearance needed. In this, as we know that if we give suppose, अगर हम लोग किसी चीज़ में अगर लाइन से मार्क कर देते हैं या वुडन प्लैंक डाल देते हैं, तो हमको पता चल जाएगा कितना अमाउंट ऑफ स्नो है। उसके अनुसार से हम मतलब उसका डेप्थ को हम नाप सकते हैं कि इतना अमाउंट ऑफ स्नो है, उतना ही डेप्थ से हमको स्नो हटाना है। तो उससे हमको रोड का सरफेस भी डैमेज नहीं होगा, और मतलब स्नो भी आराम से निकल जाएगा। मशीन सच एस डोजर, मोटर ग्राइडर और ब्लेड प्लंगर्स एंड रोटेटरी प्लग्स आर यूज फॉर स्नो क्लियरेंस। इवन ब्लास्टिंग ऑफ आइस इज रिस्टोर्ड इफ द आइस क्रस्ट इज वेरी थिक। ये जो मतलब जो भी रिमूव करने वाला मशीन्स है, वो यूज़ करते हैं। अगर मान लेते हैं कि अगर उसका अपर वाला सरफेस, अगर सतह जो है अगर थिक हो गया, तो उसको हम लोग ब्लास्ट करके भी रिमूव करते हैं। नेक्स्ट वन इज प्रिवेंशन एंड करेक्शन ऑफ लैंडस्लाइड। Landslide are very commonly problem encountered in hilly roads. They are commonly in geologically young hill range. During the construction of road, a lot of cuttings of rocks is involved, which distribute the natural condition and balance of force. Slips, subsidence, slips and subsidence, and the landslide will result. Which means that, as I have told you earlier in earlier videos, as I have told you about landslide is nothing but if we are disturbing anything, then at a time period it will be standing, but at after some time it will cause the landslide. Okay. Increasing in shear stress and reducing the shear strength are the primary reason for occurrence of landslide for geological engineering point of view. As we know that, and as an engineer, we know that as the shear strength reduces and the shear stresses increases, that cause the removal from its original position and it slide in the direction of gravitational force. Possible causes for increasing in shear stresses are cut and curing, removing part of lateral supports, external traffic loads, weight of the structure, and water in reservoir. Increase the subcharge due to snow. Increase in the porous water pressure, earthquake, and blasting operation. These are the possible cause for increasing the shear stresses. Next one is control of avalanche. Avalanche is a large scale of slide of a material on a hilly slope, and they are very hazardous as they occur without much notice and cause damage to a hilly road and the auxiliary structures. Avalanche is a common in a snow-capped mountain range such as Himalayas. So the road construction is such zone should be considered measure to a minimum the damage due to avalanche. Special protective measures such as gallery and the constructed above the road, which is allowed to roll the mass of snow over the gallery roof, thereby preventing damage to hilly road and harm to the road user. This should be done. The controlling of avalanche means that impact of load. Suppose if if you are being in hilly region where the snows are on the mountain, avalanche is nothing but a large mass of snow will be falling like a landslide and cause damage to the roads as well as the surrounding area, that is the avalanche. And for controlling that we should not disturb that, and we should take a special protective measures for controlling the avalanche. Okay, summary of this lecture is all about we have seen about the drainage aspect of hilly roads. I have referred from online source SK Kannan book and Ritu publication book. Thank you for listening. If you have any doubt, you can clear with me. Thank you.